Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix this error. Here you can see it, 0xc00007b. So how we can fix it? This error means that you can't open some application. When you try to open it, you see this error. So first we need to go to our search tab. So just go to search tab and just write in search tab control. So here you can see control panel, so just open it. After you do it, just go to programs and features, and here you find your application. Just right click on this application you have error when you try to open it, and just choose uninstall. So just uninstall this application and just download the latest version. Try to reinstall it and restart your computer. So sometimes it can fix this error. Another way you can also try is just go to Google and just install latest VC++. So just go to, here you can see official Microsoft service, and just download from here. Here you can also choose your language and just click download. So after it downloaded, just install it to your computer. Second you can install is DirectX. Just go to DirectX in Google, and here you can see the latest DirectX on Microsoft servers. So just here it automatically starts. Just click on this download and install it to your computer and restart your computer. And if it doesn't help you, so you can also try another way. So you just go to your computer, go to local C, your system disk, and here you choose program files. Here you choose your application. For example, if it is Mozilla Firefox, so just go here, and here you will find your shortcut. So just find it. Here you can see it, exe file. So just right click on it and choose send to, and desktop create shortcut. Sure, here you can see it. So just try to open this application from a new direct shortcut. Or you can also go to properties and just check all the info here. So also you can go to compatibility, and here you also can choose your special operation system in which you want to run it, and here you can also change settings for all users. Just click OK. Also in general you can also click here and do it read only, and just click apply and click OK. So after you do it, just try to open it from this shortcut. So I hope that one of this method will help you. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.